How to pay with PayPal without credit card. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your site paypal.com and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, what you want to do is move into wallet. So if you don't have your credit card and you're wondering on how to pay, then what you want to do is simply link a bank account instead of adding your credit card. So tap on link a bank account. Well, in this page, you'll have to enter some of your bank informations. Firstly, enter your account number and then other details. Once you are done, click on link your bank. Your bank account has been linked successfully. Well, now you don't have to worry about not having your credit card in order to pay. You can simply pay it through your bank account. But one thing you should know that in order to add money from your bank account to PayPal, well, a customer can only add funds from their bank account to the PayPal account when they have a negative balance. And also you need to link a bank in order to receive the payments. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to pay with PayPal without credit card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.